What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on XYO, which has pumped up over 20% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, most of the pump did come from earlier today, very early this morning, and right now as well, and it's trading at 0.006 cents in target. So we're going to be going through, is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to head up to 10 cents target, or even the 1 cent target, sorry? And is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it time to simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can XYO go, and is there crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.3% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we do have XYO as a third top gainer in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. As you can see here, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain nearly 10% in value. Over the last day, 24%. Over the week, 17%. It's been very volatile, up and down. It's been all over the place, but the overall outcome is more on the positive side, which is all we want. And over the month, just about a percentage, guys. It's been more or less volatile for the last 4 weeks, but has maintained its value. But again, as you can see, it's pumped up to about 0.06 where we are at the moment, dropped down to 0.048, which is quite low from where we are at the moment. So yeah, it's been very, very volatile, and again, that explains how cryptocurrency is. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 400%, making it nearly $4 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase in trading volume wise, only because it's pumped up so much. We are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more sellers, a lot more buyers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers. So we are seeing more and more people looking into the project and investing and selling and so on, and there is no doubt that the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the next couple of hours, because obviously it's just pumped up even higher. So we are going to see more and more people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XYO, which is here in purple at 0.005 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in green at 0.006 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Yes, even though I am expecting more pumps in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting it to slightly drop back down in value below the 0.006 cents in target. No major drops, but do expect it to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today to around 0.0058 cents is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking very bullish, very positive, once again looking quite steep as well. Again, exact same reason applies here, because it's been pumping, and again it's not realistic at all. But I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from XYO over the next week or so. So let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting XYO to be heading to about the 1 cent target. But again, I'm not saying it's going to hit that target. It's going to be heading towards that, so potentially hitting about 0.007 to 0.008 cents in target is what I'm expecting by towards the end of this week and early next week as well, potentially hitting 0.009 cents by mid to late next week, depending on how the crypto market performs. You guys know how volatile the crypto market is, and as previously shown in this video, yeah, you guys have seen how volatile XYO has been over the last 4 weeks as well. But yeah, hopefully we should be able to move towards the positive direction over the next 7 to 8 days. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now, we're not looking as steep as the previous 2 charts, meaning it's much more realistic. So in this case, we still got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what is expected from XYO over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So let's say mid to late May 2023, we should be seeing XYO way above the 1 cent target. Even around early to mid April 2023, I'm expecting XYO to be hitting the 1 cent target, depending on how the crypto market performs and if it manages to stay on the green side, unless there's a major crypto crash or a bull run or a price bump or anything like that that can have a either positive or negative impact on the value of XYO and the crypto market in general. I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for XYO for the short term and the long term as well. But again, those of you guys who are looking to trade short term on XYO do expect dips in between, as I mentioned earlier. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, and as you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, guys, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least around 2 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from XYO at the moment. Potentially Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting XYO to be hitting the resistance target and potentially heading into the green zone towards the end of the year, but again, depending on how the crypto market performs. But if you guys want regular updates on XYO, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated around 3 to 4 times a week on this crypto, or even more depending on how often you guys want it. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on XYO. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting XYO to be hitting the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, and at the end of the day, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.